People! How are you guys doing? Do I feel extra excited today? Yes. Is it because of the coffee? Probably.
How many cups have you had this morning?
Never ask a lady that question, because the answer will always be too many. Welcome to one more episode of Danny tries weird stuff that she saw on TikTok, for no reason. Cause YOLO. Yeah, I only get to live once, and what do I get? TikTok. Wow! So, eggshells. How do you feel about them? That's a weird way to start a conversation. This TikTok video will change the way you look at eggshells. I always had that weird urge to do makeup on an egg or a potato.
Or a watermelon, or an apricot.
Apricot. It's very hairy. But doing makeup on my potato face with eggshells? Now that's what I call an excellent idea. Bring me the eggs. That was dangerous. I want to do it again. Another one. Another one.
Yeah, what can possibly go wrong?
I'm very good at catching stuff. Oh god, this one has poop on it. What we're gonna do with all those eggs?
We're gonna make a cake.
How many eggs do we need?
I don't know, how many cakes we want to make?
I don't think that these are going to be enough to cover my face. I want to try it with one hand. Check this out. Whoa!
Wow! Going to the gym is starting to pay off.
Yes, I think that's enough exercise for today.
Okay, I think it's enough.
My hands are covered in eggs. Ugh, it smells like salmonella.
What are you doing?
I'm giving my eggshells a bubble bath. I also have chicken poop on my fingers. Salmonella is not winning this one. Some people crack eggs for their content. I crack them for their shells. Now here is the best part. If chickens could watch this video, they would have been very upset.
With you.
You helped.
You asked it.
See this pimple over here?
Yes.
Everyone can see it. I'm gonna show you how to hide it. Now you see it. Now I had.
Now you see it again?
Now you see it. Now I have an eggshell on my face, but no one can see my pimple. It's very comfortable.
Yeah, I want to. Now you see it again?
It kind of looks like Batman.
It looks like Eggman.
It's not sticking. It's not working. It's a very sticky situation I got myself into.
Mayday, mayday.
We have an emergency.
Can we add lash glue to your face and after put the eggshells on your face?
No, I have an idea. We're gonna smash eggshells. We're gonna cover my face with eyelash glue, and then I'm just gonna roll my face in the eggshells. That's a very clever idea. It's brilliant. Excellent. There we go, there we go. I'm turning into an egg. A cracked one.
Once the lash glue dry out, can I remove it from my fingers?
No. Try not to stick your fingers together.
Oh, my fingers are sticking already, look.
I have some very bad news for you. I wanna tell you something.
No.
Okay. These eggshells are very aggressive. You're stabbing me.
They are aggressive. Wanna listen to the joke?
I'm listening.
Do you know a rooster why? Do you want to listen to a joke?
I'm listening.
You know it's good before I start telling it, eh? Do you know why the rooster is afraid to jump off the fence?
Why?
Because it's chicken.
I can't believe I'm putting things on my face that
Are not makeup.
came out of a butt. He's helping me with the glue.
I'm a professional.
This is a teamwork.
You're beautiful.
Ah,
You're beautiful.
ah,
You're beautiful.
Don't make me laugh.
as chicken.
ah. Don't make me laugh.
Can we continue tomorrow? What?
No, that's gonna be extreme.
Yes, but now I'm exhausted. You're gonna sleep like this at night.
If you hear cracking noises, don't worry, I'm not making you popcorn. And it's not a thief, it's my face.
Your face sounds weird.
Your jokes, they really crack me. I can't open my mouth. I hope I don't find an eggshell in my food. This is the weirdest face mask I've ever done. It's only 2 ingredients, lash glue and eggshells. It works amazing, only if your goal is to destroy your skin. This looks like the low-budget version of that guy from Fantastic Four. I mean, fake it till you make it, I guess. The nose is where things get complicated because the pieces of eggshells need to be very tiny. Otherwise, they won't stick on my nose. So I'm basically going to cover it with lash glue, and I guess I'm just gonna start sticking the smaller pieces of eggshells. This is very time consuming. Wow, you guys, this is turning amazing. Now imagine I sneeze. That's gonna be quite of a explosion. Alright, so far so good. When I touch my skin, it feels very weird. The shells are very pointy, which means that when I'm talking, all of the little edges are literally stabbing me. And I'm scared. I'm scared because next I'm gonna be doing the eyes. You can see in that TikTok video that they've done a little bit of an eye makeup over there. My nose is itchy. I can't scratch it properly. This is an ASMR on a whole new level. ASMR channels are shaking right now. Oh my god, my makeup looks so patchy today. And my complexion products are not really matching with my skin tone, but that's okay. This is my self-tanning shade. I could be just gluing paper on my eyes. You guys would never know. Why is my nose so itchy? Why today? Guys, there's so many eggshells literally everywhere. I found an eggshell in my bra. It was poking me. For a second I thought that it was a bug biting me on a very sensitive area. It was just an eggshell. I'm sure that if I check, there will be eggshells in my underwear. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna say goodbye. A little lash glue. Where did my eggshell go? I'm tired of saying the words eggshells. I can't do it anymore. I'm surprised how easily I can blink. God, I look gorgeous today. I look exceptional. Should I also do the eyebrows? Nah. I also added a pair of falsies. This is the best face armor ever. I want someone to punch me in the face now. Just to see if it will hurt the same. Aha, yeah, that hurts. I keep forgetting they're very sharp. A few centuries ago, this might have been considered a torture. Also, a few centuries ago, I would have been burnt alive if someone saw me looking like this. The edges of the shells are so sharp. It's like the points of a very small needles being like super close to my face, and every time I move my face a little bit, they're like in my skin. Stop sending me messages. My face hurts. Now here is one of the best parts. We're gonna add some blush, and I'm gonna take it one step further. I'm also going to try to add highlighter and bronzer. So let's see how that goes. I'm applying blush, but I'm not seeing any blush. I was using a powder blush, now I'm going with a cream one, and I think that the cream one works better. Oh yeah, it definitely works better. I really like how this looks. On this side, it looks even better than this one. Let's add some highlighter. Oh my god. Okay, wow. Look how shiny they are. Why does this make me so happy? I don't understand. See guys, a little highlighter can make even an eggshell look fancy. Which brings me to the very dangerous question of why stop here? I mean, hear me out. I can cover my whole face with that highlighter, and you know what? I think that it will look amazing. You don't understand. The thought of making all the eggshells look like this, if I don't do it, I won't be able to fall asleep tonight. That thought will poke my brain, just like the eggshell I had in my bra was poking my chest. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't want to look like a basic egg. I want to look like an Easter egg. My brush smells funny. I mean, it doesn't smell funny, it smells terrifying. Because it smells like something bad, but I can't tell exactly what it smells like, and that's concerning. Hold on. Is it the brush or... Oh, it's the eggs! Oh, guys, look, you can no longer tell that these are eggshells. My hair is turning into a disco ball. So I had this idea to make the eye makeup blue and shimmery and shiny and pretty, but the eye makeup wasn't collaborating. It was doing its own thing and I wasn't liking it. It was just not coming out nice. so I had no choice. I had to take it all off and I did it all over again. I like the blue, so I kept it, and this is how it looks now. It looks sloppy and messy, matches my character. Oh, and oh my god, one of those eggshells is pushing my eyelid down and I can't open my eye properly. I want you guys to tell me down in the comments what this look reminds you of. Try to describe it the funniest way you can think of. Oh look, I'm making noises with my face. Now it's time for the best part ever, taking everything off. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this so long. Why they're not unsticking? Ow! I'm not ready for this kind of pain. I shouldn't have used that much glue. It was very unnecessary. Ow, 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 ow. Why does it hurt so much in that area? I saw this look on TikTok and I was like, okay, that looks interesting. I was thinking, piece of cheesecake, but I underestimated it. This is one of the most challenging looks I've ever done. It challenges your patience and your will to keep on going. I wanted to take a nap like 3 times while filming this video. I'm not even kidding. I wanted to try to recreate one more makeup look today, but I'm exhausted. I just want to go to bed. Talking about cake, we'll be eating cakes for the next 2 weeks, so wish our cholesterol good luck. It's gonna need it because we have a lot of eggs that I don't want to throw away. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This was very out of my comfort zone, but hey, you have to push your limits sometimes. If you enjoyed watching it, then why don't you go ahead and check out some of these other videos that just popped on your screen. Or you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Look how sticky my face is.